This question is a simple simplification question. And because the symbols are unfamiliar, and because the square root of 3 is a strange number, it can be confusing. But this should actually be a very easy question to do. So remember that anything to the second power means to multiply it times itself. So square root of 3 to the second power means square root of 3 times square root of 3. You could put parentheses if that makes more sense to you. Now, what you need to know is that the square root of 3 raised to the second power means that we can simply take the square root sign off, and the answer is regular 3. Let's use the calculator to prove that this is true. Parentheses, second square root of 3, go to the right, and then raise this to the second power, and that's 3. Now, just to make sure we understand how this is true, we know the square root of 3 raised to the second power means the square root of 3 times the square root of 3. So we know that we multiply the inside times the inside, or the radicand times the radicand. So this equals the square root of 3 times 3, which is 9, of course. And then we know that the square root of 9 is 3. Again, the thing that is most useful to remember is that simply the square root of 3, the square root of a number, raised to the second power is that number.